Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and somewhere here just on the top bar, if you want to add some icons here or just to remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. And after that, we can see here this down section with the icons which we can add to our notification panel here. So for example, let's add the storage icon here and the invert colors. So just hold it and drag it to add. We'll stay here only with two icons. We can add all of them if you want, that's also not a problem. If you wanna just just remove some icons from here, just hold it and drag it by the same way. And to change their positions, just hold and drag it. You can see that's so simple to do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.